Tonight's dinner is chicken adobo. Now, it's a very popular dish in the Filipino community, and there's probably just as many recipes as there are Filipinos. Well, this is my take on a Filipino classic, chicken adobo. We're going to start with putting some oil in, canola oil, and I'm going to drop 3 cloves of garlic in there, and we're going to let that sizzle up here just a little bit. I should have heated up that oil a little better first. Now it's coming. We just want to open it up so you can smell the garlic, and it opens up real wide in here. Not more than 20 or 30 seconds though. Oh yeah. Now we can smell it. Now I have 1.5 pounds of chicken wings. Now you can use any chicken part that you want. We prefer the chicken wings, but I've seen it done with boneless thighs, legs and thighs. We're going to start, we're not browning the chicken. We're just kind of starting it cook on its way. The meat will start to turn white as it cooks. So we're going to let this cook. We're going to stir it quite a bit to make sure that all the chicken gets a good start. While the chicken is getting cooked a little bit, we're going to make a little bouquet. We have some cheesecloth. You can get cheesecloth any place in the bakery aisle, and some pickling spice. It's already mixed up with cardamom and cinnamon, mustard seed, coriander, lots of good stuff. Looks just like this. Got about a tablespoon of that. We're going to put it right in that, and we're going to fold it up into a ball. Okay, and we're going to tie some cooking twine around it. This is going to be the spices that actually flavor our chicken adobo. So there we go. We have a bouquet of pickling spices. Okay, we're getting to where all the pieces are starting to turn white, the meat, because they've all hit that grease and now a little of that garlic in them. So now we're going to put in some apple cider vinegar, some soy sauce. Now I happen to use low sodium, but you don't have to, and some water. We're going to bring that up to a boil, and we're going to make sure this bouquet is sitting down into the liquid. Stream doesn't make any difference, and we're going to bring this up to a boil, and then we're going to simmer it for an hour. Obviously, every 15 minutes or so, we're going to come and we're going to stir it and check on it, make sure that everything's going okay. But yeah, there we go. And we always want to make sure that bouquet is in the liquid down at the bottom. So here we go. We're going to change this. We'll be back in about 15 minutes or so just to check on it. I'm going to turn the heat down so it's just more of a... Okay, let's take a look here. And, gotta make sure that bag of Bouquet stays in the water. There we go. Oh yes, it is definitely cookie. If you could smell this, oh, delightful. There's our Bouquet still in there. About 20 more minutes, it should be done. Okay, everything seems to be done. Turn that off. Put our wings into a nice big serving tray. Obviously, we don't want the Bouquet in there. There we go. And now the sauce. The sauce is going to be delicious over the rice, so we want to get all the sauce available. That's the very end of it.
Alright, I'm going to taste now this. The chicken adobo American version. Let's see. Oh, look at this one. Let's see what is the difference. I want more sauce. Okay. Smells good. Very tasty. The meat is very tender. The sauce is very tasty. I think the only difference is the seasoning. What is that? What is that? The one you put to the
Pickling spice.
yeah. That gives a different flavor. But overall, it's good. Adobo. American adobo. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again in our next video. Bye!